Howdy, campers. Welcome to Monday's lesson in math and our first part of our mission to save the sun bears of Southeast Asia. All right, our first stop is going to be Malaysia, where we're going to be reviewing our place value skills. I'm going to just go over a couple of things that we've learned so far this year just to review. But before we get started, the number one thing that we have to remember is to show our work. So if you don't already have one, get a piece of paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker, whichever tool you would like to use to show your work and line up those problems. Okay, we're going to start with the practice one. So I'm going to have the numbers 11,742 plus 911. Okay, now when you see an addition problem like this where it's horizontal, left to right, we don't want to add it that way. We want to line it up and down. Why might you ask? Well, because you want to see your place values lined up together. Your ones place with your ones place, your tens place with your tens place. What would come next? Hopefully you said hundreds, and then you got it, thousands, and then 10,000s. Very good. So we need to have those things lined up and ready to go. So I'm going to transfer these numbers into a vertical alignment up and down. All right, so I'm going to take 11,000 and put the bigger number on the top just because it's going to have more place value spaces, plus 911. Now the 9 in 911 is in the hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. Now in 11,742, the 7 is in the hundreds place. That means that my 9 should be lined up right underneath of that 7 because they're both in the hundreds place. So 911. All right, now I've got my ones with my ones, my tens with my tens, my hundreds with my hundreds, my thousands with my thousands, and my 10,000s with my 10,000s. Here, we've got two imaginary zeros that would be holding that place. All right, let's go ahead and add. We always start in the ones place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 7 is, pretend that 7's giving 1 to the 9, making it a 10. So 10 plus 6, 16. 6 goes down. 1 will fly up. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus that imaginary 0 is 1. All right, looks like we're done, but we've got one last step. One of my favorite things to do. We start in that ones place and we say 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. We put that comma right there. 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. That's where that comma goes. So our answer would be 12,653. All right, great job, guys. We're going to do another example here. Let me see if I can move myself. Yes, I can. Awesome. Here's another page. Okay. We're going to do 13,718 plus 77. Okay, we've got a couple of different place values going on here. This 77, the highest place value is, hope you said tens place, whereas 13,718, the highest place value is, that's right, in the 10,000s place. So we're going to take this not horizontally, not left or right. We're going to switch that and make it vertical so that we can line up our ones, our tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. All right, let's see. Switch up the colors here. Okay, we're going to start with the biggest number on top because it has more places just to keep us organized. And that's 13,718. And we're going to add 77. We said that this 7 is in the tens place. In 13,718, this 1 is in the tens place. So that means that this 7 is going to be lined up directly underneath that 1. So plus 77. All right. That also means that in our hundreds place, there's an imaginary 0 holding that place. Thousands place, another imaginary 0. And 10,000s place, another imaginary 0, holding that place for us. All right, campers, we're ready to add. 8 plus 7, that's a doubles plus 1. 7 and 7 is 14, plus 1 is, you got it, 15. 5 goes down, plus 1 flies up. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 7 plus an imaginary 0 is 7. 3 plus an imaginary 0 is 3. And 1 plus an imaginary 0 is 1. All right, we're to my favorite part. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. Put that comma. That comma separates our hundreds from our thousands. All right, we're going to read it left to right. Read it with me. 13,795. All right, campers, I hope you have all of the tools that you need to be successful. Those sun bears are counting on us. Get ready for step 1. Great work.